What if I gave you a magic ticket that would allow you to go backstage with your favorite music artist? Imagine what it would be like if I gave you an all-access pass to the set of your favorite YouTuber. What if this special pass allowed you to have a gourmet dinner with your favorite star at a members-only restaurant? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, your dreams have come true. I'm going to give you this magic ticket. Rather, I'm going to teach you how to get this special pass so that you can get all access. It's called a utility NFT. A utility non-fungible token is something that you hold in your crypto wallet. If you want to learn how to hold NFTs in crypto wallets, then you can watch the video right here. Generally, you buy utility NFTs at NFT stores like OpenSea.io, Royal.io, and Slotty.com. Some of these magic utility NFTs grant you behind-the-scenes access, the right to earn money from an NFT project, and exclusive access to restaurants, events, and meetups with celebrities. I'm a lawyer, and I'm in the process of creating my own utility NFT, which will allow you to meet up with me personally to discuss legal issues in the metaverse. For a full list of just the best utility NFTs, ones that grant you access to famous music stars, influencers, and huge events, click the link in the description below. And if you want to learn how to create your own utility token for your community, watch the video on the next screen.